What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over 3 reasons why you need a pop-up form in 2024 for your e-commerce brand. So let's get right into it. So the number one reason why is because it maximizes your ad spend. Now, let's break this down real quick. And the way I wanted to put it is in this. So the sole purpose of paid advertising is to get traffic to our site. But what happens once that traffic leaves? So, they probably forget about the brand until they get hit with retargeting ads. And it pretty much can go similar to this. They view the ad, they go to your website, they see the product, their phone dies. And then they see a retargeting ad, they go back, they see the product again. Now they have to change their kid's diaper. Then they see the ad, retargeting ad again. They add it to the cart this time, but now they have objections of the product. They don't believe it works, right? So this process continues until everything that is stopping them from purchasing gets solved. But think about how many times we're going to need to send them ads. Now, with a good incentivized pop-up form in place, capturing from around 6 to 10% of those ideal customers, we now have them in our database. So that means we're able to send them all the information to lead them to purchase, not just once, but over a long horizon. Now, this is also known as the welcome flow, since that's where most of the people get their questions answered, especially handling the objections. If you have a really built out proper welcome flow the way it should be, you'll be handling all their objections there. So number 2 is that it captures demand of ICP. So ICP is ideal customer profile. Now, when building an email list, it's important to capture the attention of those who would suit your products best. And I guess the reason for this is because they're the easiest to sell to. That's honestly the main thing. If it's hot outside and there's someone running, it's a lot easier to sell them water with ice than a guy that's in Antarctica, right? Because the truth is, he can best suit the product that you have, whatever it is that you're selling. They can best suit that. Why? Because they have a need for it, or it just resonates with them. For example, women like leggings, men like shorts, right? Things like that. And so it really resonates with them, and the products are specifically meant for them. Therefore, it'll be easier to sell. So in doing so, this allows them to go from cold to warm traffic. Now, again, this is capturing the demand of your ideal client profile, or ideal customer profile. And that just gives you the chance to now, again, bring them into your database and give them all of the nurturing they need. So number 3 is that it grows your email list. So whenever I speak with brand owners, almost all of them have said they want to grow their email list. That's almost the one thing I constantly hear. They always say they can have more eyeballs on their site, and really on their products. Now, with a pop-up form, you can ensure yourself that you'll constantly be growing your list. Now, most brands think a sign up in the footer of their site is enough, and then they wonder why their list isn't growing. And it's truly because nobody's scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page unless they're actively looking for it. I'm not going to scroll all the way to the bottom of a site unless I'm actively looking for your email list. And that's just the way it's going to work. Now, if it pops up in their face after a few seconds of them hopping onto the site, it's going to give them a chance to see it. And if it's a good enough offer, they'll sign up, or in other words, opt into the newsletter. And that's really how the list growth occurs. So now, quick outro. If you don't already know who I am, my name is Noah. I'm the founder and the current do-it-all at Copy Digital. I specialize in e-commerce email marketing, and I help brands add 20 to 40K in monthly recurring revenue in less than 67 days, and you only pay on a performance basis. I'll deliver you a full done-for-you email retention system, including 9 flows with over 50 plus email designs and a built traffic capturing system to grow your email list and make your brand the profitable one that you've always dreamed of. So if you do want to check out my socials, where I post daily content on my Twitter, Reels on Instagram, my LinkedIn, where I put all my super valuable content, And you can also shoot me a subscribe here where I post about 1 to 2 videos a week on pretty much anything email marketing. So if you did enjoy this video, uh, just please leave a like, maybe even comment something that you found interesting. If you're a brand that wants to work with me, go ahead and click the first link in the description below and go ahead and book a call. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one, and thanks for watching. Peace.